Welcome to Indian Engineers and Fabricators, manufacturer and supplier of industrial control panels. The company was incorporated in 2005 at Secunderabad. Spacious infrastructure facility and vast industry experience helps us to grab maximum customer satisfaction. Experienced R&D departments, industry-leading prices and flexible fabrication services make us the preferred supplier in the industry. We offer a wide assortment of motor control center, AMF panels, and electrical control panels for industrial building. Our control desk, motor control center and auto PF panels are best in the industry amongst others. Generators and power control center panels are acknowledged for their functionality. AMF panels and electrical control panels for industrial building are cost-effective. We are engaged in offering supreme quality outdoor panels and outdoor control panels for commercial building. Our fabrication services and AMF panel for residential building are available at market-leading prices. To know more about us, please visit our website www.electricalpanel.com.